First, go into Shading Workspace. Now press New button to add a material to the object. Press Shift-A and press S to open search bar again. Add a color ramp node. Press Shift-A and press S to open search bar again. Add a wave texture node. Attach the color to base color and color to factor. Let's go to the front orthographic view by pressing numpad 1. Change the scale. Change the bands to rings and sign to saw. Before that, go to the Edit menu and select Preferences, then in Add-ons menu search for Node Wrangler and activate it. Press Ctrl-T to add Mapping and Texture Coordinate node. Let's change the color. You can change to any color you want. Change the linear to constant. Let's slide the color. Change it to 0.5. Change the X and Y scale to 0 and Z scale to 1. You can change it according to your mesh.